Hi, I'm Miss Sudcamp, and I teach the pottery classes here at Apex High School. That is Sculpture 1 and Sculpture 2 honors. And after they take these two classes, they have an option to take AP Sculpture. So, welcome everyone. Let's talk a little bit about what projects they'll be doing. So, in this class, students will be learning a variety of sculptural techniques, the history behind them, and about artists from around the world. Students are creating pieces and then reflecting on those pieces on a digital portfolio that being sculpture class, they've taken art classes before, so they already know what the site is, they already know how to submit their work, so they should be set. So let's talk about materials that they need for class. They're going to need a sketchbook. It can be one from another class. That's totally fine. We don't use it every single day, but they do need it to take notes, to draw things out, to make plans, to work as a group. There's a lot of things. But they also really need, and I've been asking them to bring this in, some tall kitchen trash bags. So a large trash bag that they can put their work in, bag it up, put it on the shelf, so they'll be totally set and ready for the next day. So grading. In this class, their projects are worth 50% of their entire grade. A project is typically a week at a time. There's sketchbook grades, so this is also small assignments, small quizzes. Those like in class assignments are all worth 30% of their grade, and the reflection on their website or their digital portfolio is worth 20% of their entire grade. So, digital portfolios. So just like they've done before, where they had the site, the only addition to this is that they have the Google Classroom. So I will post all the stuff that they need on Google Classroom. They'll create their work, take photos in class, have in progress pictures, and then they will turn that work back in their link, give it to me on Google Classroom. So talking about Google Classroom, uh, so you can ask your students to show the Google Classroom and see if anything's missing and make sure that they've actually attached their work to their turn in button, because a lot of times they'll just hit submit and nothing's attached, so I can't grade it. And I'll usually just return those. All right, so the best contact with me is going to be the remind, so I can get that straight to my phone. And there's the remind code at PD2SUD, because this is second period. And there's my email, ksudcamp at wcpss.net. And we do have a wish list. So if you can send any of these items in, that would be incredible. So Band-Aids, cleaning wipes, 2X shirts, smocks, aprons, like that one's a big one because we're doing a lot of pottery and things get messy. So having those available is awesome. Paintbrushes, always a plus, and command hooks would definitely be appreciated. And thank you so much. If you need anything at all, just go ahead and send me a message.